Hi everyone, I'm Daniel from Rise and Be Rich, where we work with entrepreneurs to help them create visibility, authority, and influence in the market so they can attract leads, clients, and opportunities into their business. As part of Rise and Be Rich Inner Circle, we respond to clients asking for specific training, and this week we're in the process of sending out a training on big profits with small lists, how to monetize your email list and convert clients, even if you have a small list. So Ahana has been working with coaches to put this together, and I've asked her to put up a blog on how to make money with email marketing to a small list. So I'll leave that link with the blog in this video. You just have to look below. But the specific question that I want to answer is the number one top strategy to actually make your emails convert. So when we look at the success of our email campaigns, there's really just four metrics which matter, and they are: number one is deliverability. Did your emails get delivered? Number two is the open rate. How many unique opens did you get? Number three is click-throughs, unique click-throughs to your offer, to your high valuable content. And number four is unsubscribes. How many did you get with each campaign? Just to know that you are going to lose people, that's always part of it, but you just want to be able to track that when you check these metrics. The two metrics which I would have to say are the most important and you'd have to get better at is the open rate and the click-throughs, because these are the ones that are going to convert for you. Now, the first one is about the subject line, but the second one that is most people find challenging. So let me just share this number one strategy with you for your email marketing and convert that, and that is connection. It's not about the content. You have to build the connection in a way that you write and deliver the copy and the resonance to create with your customer. If you want to learn more about the trainings at Rise and Be Rich, please make sure that you make an appointment to speak to one of us. We can just share with you how to accelerate your business in the next 6 to 8 months. For the blog post, head over to our website, ahanalara.com, or just click the link that I provided in this video. I'll check back with you again soon with more trainings from Rise and Be Rich. See you soon, and thank you.